Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us do now one question on death of partner where we'll be discussing various comprehensive adjustments. Let us read question. Vilas, Mangal, Guru were partners in a business sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2012 was as follows. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2012. Asset side, land and building, debtors, stock, cash. Liability side, capital of Vilas, Mangal, Guru, creditors, and we have general reserve. Guru died on 1st July 2012. This balance sheet is as on 31st of March. He died on 1st July. That means April, May, June. These 3 months he was there. So during current financial year, Guru was there for 3 months. Land and building was to be revalued to 7,000. Here book value of land and building is 6,000. That means we are required to add 1,000 here to land and building. This will have another effect, revaluation account credit. RDD was to be created rupees 200. Debtors are given 5,000. We are required to deduct 200 for RDD. This will have second effect, revaluation account debit. The drawings of Guru up to date of his death amounted to 1,000. This is drawings of Guru which will be debited to his capital account. Charge interest on drawings rupees 100. Here interest on drawing is clearly given rupees 100. We are not required to calculate. This amount will be debited to his capital account. His share of goodwill should be calculated at 3 years purchase of profit of last 4 years, which were 15,000, 13,000, 7,000, 5,000. We are required to do working note for this. The deceased partner's share of profit up to date of his death to be calculated on basis of average profit of last year's. Last year profit, that is rupees 5,000. We are required to do working note for this. We are required to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partner's capital account, balance sheet of continuing firm, and working for share of profit and goodwill. Let us do important working notes first. Guru's share of goodwill should be calculated at 3 years purchase of profit of last 4 years, which were 15,000, 13,000, 7,000 and 5,000. Guru's share of goodwill. Step 1, we are required to find average profit of last 4 years. Formula is total profit divided by number of years. 15,000, 13,000, 7,000 plus 5,000 divided by 4. Total profit is 40,000 divided by 4. So average profit is 10,000. Step 2. Find firm's total goodwill. That is average profit multiplied by number of years purchase. Average profit is 10,000 multiplied by number of years purchase 3 years. So it comes to 30,000. Now Guru's share in firm's goodwill. Firm's goodwill multiplied by Guru's share. Firm's goodwill is 30,000. Guru's share is 1/4. So his share of goodwill is 7,500. We'll have an entry goodwill account debit to Guru's capital account. The deceased partner's share of profit up to date of his death to be calculated on the basis of average profit of last year. Average profit of last year is rupees 5,000. Guru's share of profit till death, that is for 3 months, based on last year's profit 5,000. Guru's share 1/4, period is 3 months, therefore 3 by 12. It comes to 313. Entry will be profit and loss suspense account debit 313 to Guru's capital account 313. We have done important adjustments. Let us solve question now. Let us start with liability side. First we have capital account of partners. Vilas 6,000, Mangal 7,000, Guru 3,400. These will be credited to their capital accounts. Partners capital account credit side, by balance brought down, Vilas 6,000, Mangal 7,000, Guru 3,400. Relating to partners capital accounts, we have item general reserve. Amount is 1,600. This will be distributed between partners in their profit sharing ratio 2:1:1. That is 800, 400, 400. Partners capital account credit by general reserve, Vilas 800, Mangal 400, Guru 400. There is one more item on liability side, creditors. There is no adjustment on creditors. This will be transferred to new balance sheet on liability side. Balance sheet liability side, creditors 2,000. Let us proceed to check assets. Land and building 6,000. There is an adjustment on land and building. New balance sheet amount will be recorded in inner column. Asset side, land and building, inner column 6,000. Debtors 5,000. There is an adjustment of RDD. New balance sheet, asset side, amount will be recorded in inner column. Asset side, debtors, inner column 5,000. Stock 3,000, no adjustment. Cash 6,000, no adjustment. These two assets will be transferred in new balance sheet at same value. Asset side, stock 3,000, cash 6,000. Let us continue with adjustments. Land and building revalued at 7,000. If the value is given 6,000, we have to add 1,000 to it. Another effect will be profit and loss adjustment account credit side. Profit and loss adjustment account credit side, by land and building 1,000. Asset side, land and building 6,000, add increase 1,000, value now 7,000. RDD was to be created at rupees 200. From debtors, we are required to deduct 200 on asset side. Another effect, profit and loss adjustment account debit. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to RDD 200. Balance sheet asset side, debtors 5000 less RDD 200, outer column 4800. The drawings of Guru up to date of his death amounted to rupees 1000. This will be debited to his capital account. Partner's capital account, Guru's capital account debit, two drawings 1000. Charge interest on drawings 100. Here we are required to debit capital account of Guru for rupees 100. Guru's capital account debit interest on drawings rupees 100. Guru's share of goodwill. We have already calculated this through working note. Let us refer to it. Guru's share of goodwill based on average profit 10,000, 3 years purchase goodwill of firm 30,000, Guru's share 7,500. This will be credited to his capital account. This will have another effect. New balance sheet asset side. New balance sheet asset side goodwill 7,500. Deceased partner share of profit up to date of his death. We have calculated this based on information. Guru's share of profit till death. The share comes 313. Partner's capital account. Guru's capital account credit. Profit and loss suspense account 313 rupees. Balance sheet asset side. Profit and loss suspense account 313. We are required to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partner's capital account, balance sheet of continuing firm, and we are required to show workings of share of profit and goodwill. We have done all adjustments. Let us proceed to close profit and loss adjustment account. Profit and loss adjustment account debit, we are getting balancing amount 800. This is profit on revaluation. It will be distributed among all partners in their profit sharing ratio 2:1:1. That is, Vilas will get 400, Mangal 200 and Guru 200. This is transferred to their respective capital accounts by profit and loss adjustment account. Vilas 400, Mangal 200, Guru 200. Let us close now partners capital account. Capital of Vilas and Mangal showing balancing figure on debit side. Vilas 7,200, Mangal 7,600. This will be transferred to balance sheet. Guru's capital account shows amount payable 10,713. This will be transferred to his executor's loan account and disclosed accordingly in new balance sheet. New balance sheet, capital of Vilas 7,200, capital of Mangal 7,600, Guru's executor's loan account 10,713. On asset side, profit and loss suspense account is 313. Less Guru's interest on drawings 100, so it will becomes 213. Similarly, Guru's drawings are 1000, that has deducted from cash, so cash has become now 5000. Let us close balance sheet. Balance sheet of continuing firm. Asset side total is 27,513. Liability side total is also 27,513. Liability side total is also 27,513. That means balance sheet is tally, it's matching. In this question, we were required to focus on 2 points. drawings of Guru was given rupees 1000. This amount we were required to adjust in cash, and accordingly we have reduced cash by 1000 rupees. Second point, interest on drawings, on Guru's drawings is given rupees 100. While showing in balance sheet, we are required to deduct this 100 rupees from profit and loss suspense account, as this interest on drawings will be income of firm. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.